Hey everyone, Ehsan Bahrami here. Welcome to this video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install one of the most popular IDEs out there, VS Code, on your system and make the most out of its amazing features. The good news is that once you know how to install VS Code, installing other IDEs is pretty similar. So you'll have a solid foundation for setting up any other ones you might want to try. Before we jump into the tutorial, I recommend hitting the subscribe button, tapping the notification bell, and setting it to all so you never miss an update when I upload a new video. And if you find the video helpful, a like and a comment would really help keep me motivated. Alright, let's get to it. Let's hop over to the laptop and walk through this process step by step. The installation of Visual Studio Code is very easy because it's free and has a small size. First, we go to code.visualstudio.com in our browser, then click on Download button based on your operating system. It's starting to download latest version of Visual Studio Code. If you want to learn more about setup process, you can click on Setup link. In this page, there are some links based on your operating system to guide you how to install Visual Studio Code. For example, after click on Windows link, you see this page. In installation section, it says first download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows. In second step, once it is downloaded, run the installer. After completion of downloading, you can click on it and start installation. It opens a setup wizard. I accept the agreement. Click on next. Choose destination path. After that, click on next. Again, you can click on the next button. After that, you can select default ones and again click on next button. At the end, click on install button. It starts to install Visual Studio Code on your system. At the end, you can click on finish button and launch Visual Studio Code. It opens Visual Studio Code for you automatically. First, it shows Get Started with VS Code page. You can customize your VS Code in this page step by step. After doing all of your favorite customization, you can click on Markdown. It opens this page for you and you can create a new file and type the same code in the previous session. You can also use Open File link and open a file from previous session. It opens a window. Do you want to allow untrusted files in this window? You click on Open because you trust your file. In the previous session, we wrote this code in the file. Immediately after open this file, it recommends you to install Python extension. So click on install button. It goes to Python extension page. Then you can click on install button in this page and it install it automatically for you. You can learn more about this extension in Details tab. After completion of installation, it shows you uninstall button instead of inactive installing button. Now you can continue coding. You can run this file in two ways. First, you can use terminal, and second, you can use run button at right top of your page. In first method, we write command in terminal. cd, the path of file, then Python command with the name of our file, test.py. After that, press enter. Now it shows us hello world. In the second method, you can click on run button and then again it shows you hello world in the terminal. Now that you've watched this video, you should be all set to install VS Code yourself and start enjoying coding with it. And if you're interested in learning how to install other IDEs, just let me know in the comments. If there is enough demand, I'll make a dedicated video for it and drop the link in this video description. Thanks for sticking around in this video. If you want to keep supporting me so I can create more content for you, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell, and set it to all for notifications. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me, and I always try to read and respond to them. Catch you all in the next video. Take care for now.